You have been provided your replacement DreamStation device from Philips. It will replace your current DreamStation device and should have been set as per your prescription or current device settings. If the settings are different on your replacement device, please contact Philips. Please always refer to the user manual for further information on using your device. Step 1. Disassemble your current device. If you use a humidifier with your device, ensure that the water chamber is empty before proceeding. Unplug your current DreamStation device from the wall and place your current equipment on a table. You will need to remove the accessories from your current DreamStation device, as you will keep your accessories to use with your replacement DreamStation device. To remove the accessories from your current DreamStation device, first remove the power supply and cord. Next, disconnect the ends of the tubing to remove your mask and tubing from the device. If your current DreamStation has a heated humidifier, you will need to disconnect it from your device. Remove it by placing one hand on the device and the other on the humidifier. Then press the grey humidifier release button on the side of the device and gently pull the two components apart. You will reconnect your accessories to your replacement DreamStation device later in the process. Put your accessories aside as you continue through the return instructions. If your current DreamStation device has an SD card, please remove it and keep your SD card. Do not return it. Lift open the access door on the right side of your device and locate the SD card slot to the left of the blue filter assembly. To remove the SD card, press on it gently. It will pop out slightly and you can then pull it all the way out to remove it. If your current DreamStation device has a modem installed, please remove it at this time so you may install it in your replacement DreamStation device. To remove your modem, lift open the access door on the left side of your device and remove the modem. It may be plugged in firmly and require some pressure to remove. Use your thumb in the modem groove to push the modem down and pull it out of the device. Be sure to inspect your current device to ensure that all accessories have been removed. Step 2. Assemble your replacement device. In the box, you would have been provided your return and setup instructions, accessory cleaning and inspection instructions, new user manual, and replacement DreamStation device. Please follow the accessory cleaning and inspection instructions provided, and if you notice black foam particles, please contact Philips. Take your replacement DreamStation device out of the box and place it on a table. DreamStation devices come with a user manual, standard flexible tubing, disposable ultrafine filter, power cord, power supply, and carrying case. A reusable blue pollen filter and SD card come installed in the device. In addition to the reusable blue pollen filter, you can add the optional disposable light blue ultrafine filter for additional filtration. To do this, lift open the filter access door on the right side of the device. Simply remove the filter assembly, place it on top of the ultrafine filter, and snap them together. Then slide the filter assembly back into the device and lower the filter access door closed. Next, reassemble the new or current and cleaned accessories as applicable with your replacement DreamStation device. Combine your current and cleaned heated humidifier to your replacement DreamStation device by sliding them together until they snap into place. Insert your modem accessory into the left side of the device by lifting open the access door and gently inserting it connector end first, and press the modem until it clicks into place. Then lower the access door closed. Next, connect the power supply with the power cord. Plug the power cord into a powered wall outlet and connect the green end of the power supply cable to the green power inlet port on the left side of the device, making sure that all connections are secure. To finish the setup of your replacement DreamStation device, connect your current and cleaned mask to the new standard flexible tubing and then connect the tubing to the device or to the humidifier if you use one. If you're using your current and cleaned heated tube, line the tube connection up with the outlet port on the humidifier and press until the tabs click into the slots. Once this is done, press the Therapy On-Off button on top of your replacement DreamStation device to ensure it's operational. The current delivered pressure will display on the screen. Please always refer to the user manual for further information and clarification on using your device, including cleaning and adjusting your patient settings. Step 3. Return your old device to Philips. Once you receive your replacement device, you will need to return your old device. Philips will assist you in returning your old device. It is very important for Philips to work with our patients to ensure the return of affected devices under our urgent product defect correction in Australia and recall for product correction in New Zealand. More information in relation to the corrections is on the Philips website at www.philips.com/src-update. The return shipment for your old device is prepaid, so there is no charge to you. Remember, do not return any accessories like your mask, tubing, power supply and cord, humidifier, modem or SD card. If you're in New Zealand, please go to the Philips website for details on how to return your old device. The following process will not apply to you. If you're in Australia, return your old device using the Australia Post Returns process. Please go to the Australia Post Returns portal. Input your device serial number as the reference number and your email address. Then input your personal details, including your address, and review and accept the terms and conditions. You can then choose to print your own label or print in store. Once complete, you can take your old device with your confirmation email from Australia Post to your nearest Australia Post location. At the post office, Australia Post will provide you with packaging for your old device to be placed in. Once you have packaged your old device, provide it to Australia Post for return to Philips. Thank you for your cooperation in this effort. For further assistance, please contact Philips or your home care provider.